Bob.
Yeah.
What's up?
Here is what's up. Ahari since kubantu kusia World Cup na umuto gurabe guriyo. We're expecting a very good World Cup. Abakugira ngo echo kubanza amahanga gabiri ninji Africa. We are represented with some good teams. Tsakwanta bahereze mpirage. They are at awkward hours konka tsakwanta jeza auto jibahereze nyewe Bob's gada bahona na Pato. But the saga that's surrounding this World Cup has got many people talking. Echo kubanza cha yoona hatwiri haruho na munonga akasindikina abikwatirina na za tickets. The tickets are very expensive. For football fans abari muri America bakwenda kuza kure World Cup niza kushaka sente kinji munonga na ababa kwenda kutavirira kuzayo especially for the transportation kuzabishayi it's going to be terribly expensive. Echo chiriya the geopolitics around this World Cup zarenga. Just a while ago na Yuni Shoma na shangangu Africa's best referee in men's category Nenzara ya Somalia I think is 34 years bamuzibira kuzayo actually yachireyo bamara yakwato manda ya rugaye bamubinga yagaruka omuri take that's why he is right now enshonga neha nabagirangu abakugo mu Somalia tabari harist yawa shimekano zo mu hangeri ya America so the first time one oje kuri muzani wa Switzerland wakweta Brill ainereri ndizire kuchira kuguma ya Simon Brill na wetarabase kuba nazayo enshongani zuzumwe and many other countries. There's also a video I saw baku checking abazandu ba Senegal baikacha chenyoni and it is looking very very ugly. Hariyo Iran bamwe umubanta bari ya technical crew yihangiri ya Iran America yagira ngo tibakuza kwitiriza because they think Iran wants to sneak in to use this opportunity to advantage to sneak in what they call terrorists singa shabazahambuki okubatase mu ihangari yabo so there's all sorts of things ngachende komanya gwa tandikire gweno guza kutunura World Cup ari ganda katonyi zibiri ready we said your best ngamba mpore